Hello people, welcome back to our channel Vitality Plus, where we talk everything about health. In today's video, we are going to touch upon a serious issue on the topic, that is, how to get rid of big prostate. Want to know how? Simply by consuming the right amount of vitamins. So stay with us till the end of the video to find out. Without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before that, let's quickly review what a big prostate is and why it matters before getting into the vitamins. A little gland that is about the size of a walnut, the prostate is a component of the male reproductive system. Men's prostates frequently expand with age, leading to a variety of problems such as frequent urination, difficulty starting and stopping, and even discomfort. So do not panic. These 7 vitamins may be your go-to tools in the fight against an enlarged prostate. Number 1, vitamin D. Did you know that maintaining the health of your prostate depends heavily on vitamin D? According to research, men who do not get enough vitamin D may experience an increased risk of prostate issues. Here's a quick tip. Aim to get 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure per day. It's similar to giving your body a natural vitamin D shower. However, you can also take vitamin D supplements if you don't like the sun. Your vitamin D levels can be properly maintained with the help of these tiny assistants. Number 2, vitamin C. Vitamin C is very beneficial to your prostate in addition to maintaining a robust immune system. It helps keep your body in good form and works like a superhero against inflammation. What is the best way for you to receive your recommended daily intake of vitamin C? Easy. Eat lots of wholesome fruits and vegetables. Pick up some citrus fruits, such as oranges, and savor them with delicious strawberries or vibrant bell peppers. These mouth-watering meals are loaded with vitamin C, so maintaining your levels is simple. Number 3, vitamin E. This potent antioxidant works like a shield to keep those pesky free radicals away from your prostate. And what do you know? Vitamin E can be found in some really tasty foods. The vitamin E equivalents are nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Just think about adding some almonds to your salad to give it some crunch and more prostate-boosting power. Alternatively, how about having a snack of a handful of sunflower seeds? They're a nutritious treat for your body in addition to being delicious. So all you have to do is incorporate these nutty and seedy treats into your regular diet to make vitamin E your health ally. Number 4, vitamin K. Do you know that vitamin K is an essential vitamin for your bones? It may also contribute to the avoidance of prostate issues. The best part is that some of the brightest and greenest vegetables actually contain vitamin K. Consider green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli. These are like treasure troves of vitamin K deliciousness. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet on a daily basis would not only brighten your plate, but also make your prostate happy. Thus, don't undervalue the importance of vitamin K. Incorporate these wonderful green veggies into your diet. Your prostate and bones will appreciate it. It's an easy and delicious approach to maintain your physical strength. Number 5, vitamin B6. It's time to spice things up with some vitamin B6. This vitamin is like a superhero for preserving hormone balance, which is essential to the health of your prostate. The favorable tidings? Vitamin B6 is present in a variety of palatable and healthy meals. Bananas, potatoes, and fowl come to mind as the VIPs of vitamin B6. Therefore, think about grabbing a banana or some chicken the next time you're reaching for a snack. It's more than simply a delicious treat. It gives your prostate a little push. Number 6, zinc. It is a vital component in maintaining the health of your prostate in addition to being a superhero for your immune system. The positive update then? This super mineral is present in a number of delectable dishes. Think of cashews, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds as the fighters rich in zinc. Now for a quick tip, you can eat a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack or add some to your yogurt. It's your method of providing your prostate with an additional layer of defense in addition to being a delicious pleasure. Number 7, saw palmetto. Keeping the best for last, let's talk about saw palmetto, a natural prodigy in the field of prostate health. This supplement has gained attention for its ability to improve prostate health, even though it isn't a vitamin. For decades, this small jewel has been a dependable companion, derived from the fruit of the saw palmetto plant. A lot of people think saw palmetto is a good ally to aid with enlarged prostate problems. Hey, remember to talk to your healthcare physician before you get into incorporating it into your regimen. They make sure everything is tailored precisely to your body, much like your health advisors. As we have reached the end of the video, you might have got the right solution to a huge problem. Which vitamin do you think might be tricky to take? Share with us in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you soon in the next video.